Hello audience, today's parkour tutorial is going to be on the lazy vault. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. The lazy vault is exactly as it sounds. It's a lazy move that doesn't require much effort. The lazy vault starts like all other vaults. Hand placement. Now here's where the lazy part comes in. You just grab your inside foot and just flop it over the top of the wall. Step 2, get the other leg and bring it down. Now the whole purpose of the lazy vault is to remain parallel with your object. When I say parallel, I mean your body is going to be in this position when completing the move. Your torso is not going to be faced this way, it's going to be like this. So when you complete it, you're going to be here. So the lazy vault, you could say, consists of 3 steps. Now 1, 2, pushing the leg over the wall, and 3, the landing. This move actually looks better when you're on railings, but for demonstration purposes, I'm using a wall because it's easier. And I would recommend any of you to use a starting wall because it's not as scary. What I mean by scary is when you're going over a high bar or high wall, you're at risk of clipping your ankles because you're pushing this leg through. So this can happen when you're going through. So use a small, low wall at the start. Here's what the lazy vault looks like in full demonstration. Once you have drilled these movements on the wall, your next step is to graduate to a bar. It's the same exact movements. 1, 2, bringing this foot through, and 3, the landing. Now this step here, you use when you go to a bar. You can use it for walls, but in very small circumstances. This backhand, once you do your landing, grabs the back of the bar, and you push off and remain parallel with the object. So now full demonstration on the bar. Alright, that's it for the lazy vault. 3 simple steps, a lazy move that anybody can do. Like, subscribe, get out there and have some fun.